United's Carabao Cup journey begins for another season. This, of course, the first trophy Erik ten Hag collected as Manchester United manager. Garnacho, Eriksen's continued his run. Instead, it's a switch for Rashford. It's a beautiful first touch, and Rashford is in, and Rashford has scored. 2 goals in 2 games for Marcus Rashford. Are we at the beginning of another purple patch for Manchester United's number 10? 1-0. And Antony will try and collect this ahead of the goalkeeper, and that will be a penalty. He's played just a single minute of football for United this season before tonight. And now he's on the score sheet in the Carabao Cup. His first start of the campaign is marked with a goal. Here's Rashford again, onto his right, and still weaving his way through. Garnacho! Well, that will do it. 3 goals in the first half.
Well, like Marcus Rashford on Saturday at Southampton, Alejandro Garnacho has followed up consecutive goals in consecutive games.
It's Garnacho who has the freedom of Old Trafford now as he approaches the Stretford end. Simple as you like. 4-0 United, 2 for Garnacho. Rashford might be in with a chance again. 5-star Manchester United. Rashford with a brace. And the goals just keep on ticking up here at the Theatre of Dreams. It's 5-0. Poked on for Bruno Fernandes, low ball in. Well, that was class. 6 of the very best from Manchester United. Xerxes. Eriksen. It is 7. United through to round 4 of the Carabao Cup, and through in some style.